Ready? 16 through 20. I'm going to try to do. We on it, guys, right? I know a lot of people are missing these. Alright, find the equation that passes through the line. Oh, goodness. I'm going to do this on a board. Okay? So, right away, let me grab some pins.
I just know about the whole part.
Okay?
You want this?
So I've got, what are they?
2, -5.
Okay?
And 4, -3.
Okay? Alright, let's get this on.
Is this enough room, Dan?
Huh?
Do you think that's enough room?
No, I should have made it bigger.
God damn
Can
it.
I just do it with my dribble then?
Yep.
Oh no, I'm not gonna eat it.
Alright, ready?
No. Yeah, not ready.
Alright, flip it.
Flip it.
Because I know she.
That is. So you're either going to put this on top or on bottom, or you put this on top. Whichever way, I don't care what you do. Okay? But you're flipping it so that the Y is on top and the X is on the bottom. So that the Y is on top and the X is on the bottom. Okay? Smack it. Okay, so that means smack, smack, and run. That's what the, right? That's what the slope is. Okay, so we got to find the slope. Okay, so what this is equal to is -5 plus 3 is -2. 2 minus 4 is -2. So that is 1. So the slope is equal to 1. So that's M. In order to write the equation, I need to know M and I need to know B. We don't know B. So now we got to use our equation. What's the goddess equation? That's right. Y equals mx plus B. Okay? So now I use a point. Any point you want. Okay? I choose this first one just because it came first. They both have negatives. I would choose a positive one if I could. But they both have negatives, okay? So this is your X, this is your Y. That means -5 equals 2, right? And then what's my M?
1, so you can just...
1, right? And then plus B, right? Which is -5 equals 2 plus B. Okay, subtract by 2, subtract by 2, so I get -7 equals B. I have my B. I have my M. Y equals mx plus B. So look, I put in Y equals X, and then I just plug in. M is 1. B is -7. That's done. Okay, that's the equation of a line. Alright? So, the next one is find the line passing through the point T and -5. Okay? And 5T plus 6 and -3. And your slope, so M is equal to -2/8. Okay. So, all right. So on this one, we need to what, Dante? Listen. Flip it.
Ooh, you just said listen, I said flip it.
Good.
Boy.
Alright, so -5 is on top of T, right?
And then -3 is on top of 5T plus
Good. -3 is on top of 5T plus 6. Good. And then we do what?
Smack it.
Smack, smack, and then make it equal to twist it over 8. Right?
Stop it.
Alright, now part that we messed up on.
Isn't it 0?
Everything gets subtracted.
Yeah.
That means this gets changed and this gets changed.
I did that wrong.
Okay?
Failure.
So
No.
what is t minus 5? That's minus 4t, yeah? And it's minus 6. Okay?
Oh, just kidding.
And that equals negative 2 over 8. And now we can do
Cancel out the negative.
See,
Cancel
this
out
is
the
why
negative.
I keep like all my pens on you.
Cancel out the
this,
negative.
right? So it's negative 2 times negative 4t minus 6.
Negative 2
And that's
equal to 6. Negative.
negative 2
4
times 8,
minus 6.
right? So that's negative 16 equals,
Negative 2.
everybody on the block gets a paper,
What is it?
8t
Minus
plus 12.
I did mine opposite, so it's freaking me out.
Okay?
Just the way she said it, she said mine.
Now, keep the t, right? Move the 12. So I've got 28, right? Equals 8t. Divide by 8.
Big head.
8.
All three of you guys have had a key.
8 goes into 28.
Maybe you should move. I got negative 4.
So 4, negative 4. What's 4 times 8? 32. So negative 3, right? Negative 3 is 24, right? And then how many are left over from 24 to 28? 4 eighths.
So it's 3.5.
So negative 3.5.
I got something not that. I think you just did your math. Because I do it opposite from him. I don't.
You should still get the
I
same.
know, and I did up until when I got negative 4.19. Is your math just off?
Well, you got 30.
Now I'm gonna get
Did I do something wrong?
What did you
Or did you?
I'll play with pneumonia. Bro, watch your language. It's recording. I'll go for
You have this?
Dan, you did it wrong.
Negative 2?
No, I did it wrong. No, I did it wrong. How? Because 12 plus 16 is not 38. It's 22.
I'm lit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And then I got it. Oh, I got to divide that.
Is that okay? We good?
Yeah.
All right.
I got 30.
Okay, next.
No shit.
Next, we have sums. Now remember, the summation from 3 to 7 of 3x minus 5. So that all that we're doing is 3 times 3 minus 5, 3 times minus 5, 3 times minus 5. So remember, it's going to be 4, 5. So let's change those colors. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? Everything else stays the same.
I'll watch you do that.
And then these are all plus, 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 right? So remember, plus, 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 plus. Okay? So what we're going to do is, what's 3 times 3?
9.
9 minus 5.
4.
3 times 4
Whoa.
minus 5.
Wow. The way
3 times 5
15.
minus 5.
18, 3.
18,
13.
13,
16.
21, 16.
I see those.
21.
Okay? So then add these up. And the way I like to add them up is 16 and 4 is 20. right? That's 20.
What?
20, 20, and 10 is 30, yeah?
20, 20, and 10. 20, 20,
No, no,
10 is 50.
no.
I don't even know where
Oh, okay. Just seeing if you're making sure I'm here.
sweating a lot.
Okay?
20, 20, and 10 is 30.
20, 20, and 10 is 30, yeah?
No.
No. 20, 20, and 10 is 50. Okay?
2020 is. Oh, okay, I thought.
So you've got 20, 10, and 20 to give us 50.
Okay, 50.
Okay?
I'm just being honest.
Alright. So, that's problem number 18.
50.
Okay?
Boom!
Alright, so we do the same thing for the next problem. Okay? Except the next problem is multiplication.
Yeah.
Alright? You guys take a picture so I can erase this?
Hold up.
Yeah.
Or should I do...
Your head down, Dante.
Okay? And that's still recording, right?
Rosie, why are you moving? She's like, you're looking, she can't stop moving and she's laughing.
You guys got it?
Yeah.
Got it? Everybody ready to move on?
It's worth it.
Un, deux, trois, yeah?
What?
Okay. Next. Okay. In this case, I have, and it goes from 9 to 12.
Yeah.
Okay? And it's basically 1/3 x plus 2. Okay? So we got 1/3 9 plus 2. Right? Let's change the 9 to red. And then that's 10, 11, and 12. Yes?
Yeah.
And then we have everything else is the same. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Now remember, we're multiplying all of these. So it's going to be multiply, 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 right? So whatever this is equal to, we're going to be multiplying each one. Okay?
You had 420 on the board?
Alright, so what's 1/3 of 9?
Oh, I didn't do it that way.
3.
I just put it-
3 plus 2 is
5.
5. Okay? So then we got 10/3. That's a little harder, right? Plus 2. So if we think about it, 10/3 plus 2, that's 6/3, right? So I've got 16/3.
Why do you hate
Which
it?
is just 5.
Okay? Or,
5.
yeah. Well, we got to multiply all of these, so.
What
Ooh.
did you just put in the calculator?
Yeah, be
Come on.
nice.
This-
Okay,
What do you think?
so then
My birthday.
11.
11 thirds plus 2.
Times.
So 17/3, yeah?
Yeah.
And then the last one is
What the fuck was that?
18. I just did.
4, and that's
Hold on.
6.
Nobody
Okay.
knows that.
And so now, I'm going to take 6 times 5 and get 30, right?
Yeah.
34. Just kidding.
And then I take these two.
Ugh.
Ooh, that's nasty.
Yeah.
6.
And I got 16 times 17 over
You got
9 times 30 over 1, right? Now does 9 go into 30? Can it break down the 30? Sure you can.
Not evenly.
It doesn't
Sure you
come
can.
out even.
3 goes into here 3 times, 3 goes into here 10 times, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
it's 10 over.
So then I have 170 times 16
Where did you get 170?
over 3 because 17 times 10.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay? So now,
Wait.
change my color again. Okay? So 170 times 16 divided by 3, because 3 won't go into either